Hi and welcome to our channel. In this video we are going to talk about AI for data analysis, tips and tricks for improved insights. In this video, we will be discussing how to use artificial intelligence, AI, to gain better insights from your data. We'll cover a variety of topics, including the basics of AI, how to prepare your data for analysis, and some specific techniques and tools that you can use to gain deeper insights from your data. Basics of AI. Before we dive into the specific techniques and tools for data analysis, let's first go over the basics of AI. At its core, AI is all about using computers to simulate human intelligence. This can include things like learning, problem solving, and decision making. When it comes to data analysis, there are two main types of AI that you might use: supervised learning and unsupervised learning. Supervised learning is when you use a dataset that has labeled data to train a model. Once the model is trained, you can use it to make predictions on new, unlabeled data. This is useful for things like classification and regression tasks. Unsupervised learning is when you use a dataset that doesn't have labeled data. Instead, the model is trained to identify patterns and relationships in the data on its own. This is useful for tasks like clustering and anomaly detection. Preparing your data. Once you have a general understanding of AI and the types of learning that can be used for data analysis, the next step is to prepare your data for analysis. This is an important step because the quality of your data will directly impact the quality of the insights you can gain from it. The first thing to do is to ensure that your data is clean and in a format that can be easily analyzed. This might mean removing any duplicates, filling in any missing values, and converting the data into a format that can be easily read by the software you're using for analysis. Another important step is to ensure that your data is properly scaled. This means that all the values in your dataset are on the same scale. This is important because if the values are not scaled, it can lead to distorted results. Specific techniques and tools. Now that your data is prepared, you can start using specific techniques and tools to gain deeper insights from it. One popular technique is called clustering. This is a type of unsupervised learning that groups similar data points together. A common tool for clustering is the k-means algorithm. This algorithm works by dividing your data into a specific number of clusters, which is determined by the user. The algorithm then iteratively finds the center of each cluster and assigns each data point to the cluster that it is closest to. Another popular technique is called dimensionality reduction. This is a technique that is used to reduce the number of variables in your dataset while still keeping the most important information. A common tool for dimensionality reduction is a technique called principal component analysis, PCA. PCA works by identifying the underlying patterns in your data and creating new variables, called principal components, that explain the most variance in your data. One more popular tool is neural network. Neural networks are a type of machine learning algorithm that are modeled after the way the human brain works. They are particularly useful for tasks like image and speech recognition. AI is used in making better and informed decisions by simulating human intelligence and decision-making processes. This can be done through techniques such as machine learning, where a model is trained on a dataset to identify patterns and relationships. Once trained, the model can be used to make predictions on new, unseen data. AI can also be used for natural language processing and image recognition, which can be used to extract insights from unstructured data such as text and images. Additionally, AI can be used for optimization and decision-making tasks such as forecasting, risk analysis, and resource allocation. AI can be used to generate insights, but it is important to note that AI is only as good as the data it is trained on and the quality of the model. AI can be used to identify patterns and relationships in data that may not be immediately apparent to humans, but it is not inherently capable of understanding the meaning or context behind those patterns. Furthermore, AI can also be used to extract insights from unstructured data such as text and images through techniques such as natural language processing and image recognition. It's important to note that AI-generated insights are only as accurate as the data it was trained on, the quality of the model, and the algorithms used, so it's important to have a human expert to validate the insights. There are several types of insights, but for commonly identified types are descriptive insights. These insights provide information about what has happened in the past, such as historical data and trends. Descriptive insights are often used to understand the current state of a situation or problem. Diagnostic insights. These insights help identify the root cause of a problem or issue. They are used to understand why something is happening and can help identify the underlying factors that are contributing to a particular situation. Predictive insights. These insights use historical data and other information to make predictions about what will happen in the future. Predictive insights are often used for forecasting and for identifying potential future trends or patterns. Prescriptive insights. These insights provide guidance on how to take action based on the insights gained from the other three types of insights. They can help organizations make better decisions by identifying the most effective actions or strategies to take in a given situation. It's important to note that these types of insights can overlap and be used in combination to help understand a situation more comprehensively. Be sure to check out our other videos and subscribe to stay up to date with all of our latest content. Thank you for watching.